Hello and good morning. Let's take a look. We're in week 9, and I will be removing the sign-up sheet for retesting. I'll leave it up for today only. Retesting is going to be open from Wednesday to Sunday. If you want to retest, great. If not, that's up to you. But make sure you sign up. If you do not sign up, I will not have a test for you. All right, so let's take a look here. We were talking about 4.1 the other day, and I just want to bring it all together. So look up here. To find the average consistency, right here, you're going to take the number of patients divided by how many interns they have. In this case, 128. On this one, you're going to take 860 divided by 145. When you do that, you get an average consistency of 4.04. In this one, you get 5.93. Make sure you have your calculators out. Okay, so now to get the absolute unfairness, you're going to add 1 here and then subtract. So when you add 1, you're going to get 518 divided by 129. I'm going to make that 9 a little bigger. 860 divided by 146. When you do that, you get 4.01. This one, you get 5.89. Okay, so what you do now is you take the new one here and you subtract the old one. So it's going to be this minus 5.93. When you do, you get an unfairness of 1.92, an absolute unfairness. Then you take the new one on this one and subtract it from the old one there. So it's going to be 5.89 minus 4.04. When you do, you get an absolute unfairness of 1.85. Now, to get the relative unfairness, you take this one divided by this one. Actually divided by the new one. Okay? And this one you're going to take 1.85 divided by the new one. When you do that, you get a relative unfairness of 0.47 here and 0.31 here. So the question is, who is going to get the extra intern? It would be this one. Extra help. And the reason why is because it's lower than that. And there it is, and that's how you do number 8 and number 7 from your work the other day. Today you have a worksheet here, and we'll talk about it in class. There's the backside, and there it is. Let's talk about our next class here. Our next class is college algebra, and let's start with this. Retest sign up is up for one more day, and I'm going to take it off today. Retesting is from Wednesday to Sunday only. Okay, you don't have to retest, but if you don't sign up, you will not get a shot at it. Let's take a look here. This one right here, how do you factor? Well, both of these have a 3, so you're going to take out a 3 and an x squared. So you're going to be left with 3, which gives you 9, right? 3 times 3, and then x squared here. Minus, you pulled out a 3 times 4 is 12, and you pulled out the x squared. And that should be it right there. Okay, let's go on. This one right here is group factoring. You're going to pull out an x squared. When you take 2 out of here, you're left with 1 minus 3. This one you're going to take out a 3, and you're left with x minus 3. These are the same, so you're going to get x minus 3 times x squared plus 3. And that's called group factoring. Okay, so today's work is right here. We'll start something new tomorrow. Have a good morning.